What's going on, guys? Back in the Zuma guy garage with the 50F, and we just got the biggest box of parts for this thing. We're gonna dump it in the bike right now. Let's do an unboxing on this thing, see what we even got in here, because it's been a long time. I ordered this thing, and a lot of parts were on back order, but I got the majority of them, as you can see. So let's come over here, open this bad boy up. So I ordered all these parts from Partzilla, and they won't ship out your whole order until you have all the parts, and I just got tired of waiting, so I told them to split the order. So I got the majority of the parts here, and look at all that OEM goodness. See all those Yamaha badges. I'm gonna reveal to you at the end how much we actually spent on all this stuff, but let's just start going through this stuff and seeing what we got. This is just too much stuff. I don't even know if we should even go through this stuff. Let's just start putting this stuff on the bike. I got multiples, just for in case. I think we have enough to build 2 bikes. What else we got here? Floorboard. What else we got? Brackets. More fenders. Ignition. And a bunch of random goodies, bolts and small items, but that should definitely be enough to put this bike back together and make this thing look brand new again. So let's start taking off the stuff that we don't need on this bike and put it on the new stuff. Alright guys, so you saw in the box that we had most of all the plastics for this thing, except the side plastics. I actually sourced these from Facebook Market. I got them in silver for now. We're gonna probably end up painting it, and as you can see, we opted to go with the FX front light because I have enough of the regular Zuma 50Fs. Like here's one right here, and here's another one. So I don't need another dual headlight bike, so I want to try that out. I never had that before, so we're gonna take these parts off. Boy Lamar is going to help me out, and we're going to start installing some of the new parts. Go. We're about 40% done.
Yeah.
Put on the last of the few body panels. I'm not used to putting these together. I'm used to putting the bug eyes together. It's completely different. Transform the whole bike, bro.
That's fire. Absolutely. Night and day.
I'm gonna have to buy all these new panels for this the green one right here, man.
Yeah.
Just to make that thing nicer. But new plastics are nice.
Yeah, that's meant too. You better get it while they still have it. Like discontinue.
I should have ordered like 2 or 3 sets. Check out the box of goodies and see what we got. Here it is. So this bracket I discovered was different. You want to open that up for me? So that bracket is completely different than the dual headlight model. So to run the single end like the FX front end, you have to get this bracket. And I'll give you the part number since these are all OEM parts. There it is right there. So this part right here has to be changed out because it has specifically these two tabs right here, and that's what holds on the front piece. So we're gonna swap this piece out now. This piece was nasty anyway. I'm glad we're changing it. That thing's gross.
Oof.
There we go.
Yeah.
It's completely different. So let's throw this one on.
This fish shall not hurt nobody.
That bracket
That's the last.
definitely gonna work. You got the last one?
I'll go set now. Yeah. Gonna put these wires in here.
Why does this look all weird? Like that's not sitting in there right.
There we go.
Looks like there's a little gap on the top.
Maybe once everything's seated
maybe.
together.
Oh, actually, this probably has to go up, huh? Yeah, there we go. So, yeah, this is weird. I just can't get this bottom piece to sit in here correctly. I'm hoping that once I start putting more bolts in it, it'll stiffen up. No diddy. This thing's so dirty, bro.
That's screw here. Oh no!
Where'd that screw come from? So, alright, bear with me guys because I've never done this before. I've never done this conversion. This is where the headlight's supposed to be. But it should still all work. Yeah, there we go.
Yep.
And then it goes down and then it slides up slightly. Got it?
Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh man, that's fire. I actually like them on light.
Yeah.
It's different. I'm a fan of the two lights, but I do like the single light.
And I ordered the bolts to go in here and all the OEM bolts.
Nice.
Let's open up this bag of goodies. See what else we can find here. I think so. I think these are it. I think they're Allen keys. Yes, yes. And open these new bolts up. There you go. That work? Just like that, guys. It's official. That looks sick. I never had one of these.
Was it a single bump?
Oh, look at all that rust, man.
Oh, nice.
East coasting. All right, so I just fixed this pigtail, and I'm just gonna tape this all up so it's all nice. All right, guys, got that new ignition set. There's a part number if you need it. There we go. See what we got here.
Damn.
Alright, there's the ignition. Some keys. Got the little cover. And the gas cap. So, let's put this gas cap on. Scary. There we go. Just like that. All right, so now that we got the ignition all fixed up, frick. I put both the male ends on.
Oh no, did it?
Oh no.
Oh no, we out here did it.
All right, so I gotta find the right harness pigtail. I thought that was the right one, but it's clearly not. Alright, so I got the harness fixed the right way this time. Going to install the ignition and hook up, you know, the cables and all this good stuff. And then we should be close enough to putting this whole panel back on. My buddy Lamar had to leave, so we'll check him out later, but we're gonna hop right into this. Alright, so the ignition is on, everything's bolted in, all the wires are where they need to be. I'm missing a horn, and the next issue that we have is this plug right here, which is actually the headlights, but there's only one headlight, so there's a headlight. So we have to figure out how to make that work. And if you see in there, see if I get some light in there for you. So if you see that plug right there, I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's a three-prong plug. And the factory one is a four-prong plug because it had two headlights in the front. So we have to kind of convert that, but you know what, we'll just keep moving around. We have plenty of other things to do. I guess we'll just start putting on like these covers. I have this cover right here. I bought all that new. Here's a little spring nut, and see if we can find the parts. I have parts all over the place, man. And is that it? Yes, it is. That thing brand new. Just like, look at that, like magic. Part number. For anyone that needed that last part number, here's the part number for this piece right here. Okay, there it is. Just like that. That's on. Oh no. I forgot to put on the coolant plug. Let's do that real quick. And there's the cap number if you need it. And just like that. Right here, this right here are the caps that go into here. So let's rip that off real quick. And just like that. Alright guys, I put all four of these on. Grommets are on. New floor, new cowl, seat bucket. All the plastics are on. Still missing this plastic. The ignition's in. The front headlight's in. This thing is on its way. It's almost complete. If you guys like this video, I'll get more Yamaha parts. If you guys like this video, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. We're gonna finish this video tomorrow because look at it. It's 1:25 in the morning, almost 1:30 a.m. Staying up late just for you guys. I do it just for you guys. But you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.